Hello and welcome back to Out and About with Emma and Kian. Today we're in Pontefract, home of Pontefract Cakes, a castle, and what I think are the UK's most unique Christmas lights.
Sponsored by Haribo.
Let's go and have a look. Right guys, so as you've seen some of the footage, a little bit unique, the lights. We don't have stars, we don't have bells, we don't have Santa Claus.
No, we have Haribo, dummies, love hearts.
No, we don't have dummies.
Oh no, we have rings, love hearts, eggs, and there's one more.
The cherries.
Cherries, that's it.
And
that's
the cherries look like a part of the anatomy, but I can't say on YouTube.
Yeah, let's not say that word.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to go and have a look around now.
Yes.
Oh, nearly went back down. We're gonna get him on. Yes! Come on over here, Haribo Bear. Oh, yes. I took a chunk out of his shoulder, sorry. I love Haribo. I love Haribo. Ladies and gentlemen, who is ready to turn on Christmas here in Pontefract? Right then, I think what you all need to come round this big red button. Don't touch it.
Don't press it yet. It's live now. Don't press it.
Okay. Pontefract, are you ready? I hope we've got some Christmas music ready. Cause in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go!
What's your child's teeth called? Let me guess. Is it? What's on it?
Right, so what you've just watched there is Pontefract's Christmas light switch on here in West Yorkshire. Are they the most unique lights in the UK? Maybe even the world? I don't know, because there's nothing Christmassy about them.
No, they're just Haribos.
We didn't have Santa. We didn't have the baby Jesus.
We had the Haribo bear turning on the lights.
Haribo bear turned on the lights with the Rhubarb Radio gang, and there isn't anything Christmassy in sight hung from
the lights.
From the lights.
They're just sparkly.
Sparkly, fried eggs, love arts. We love Christmas. I'm off to defrost now like Michael Bublé.
Because it is freezing.
It is absolutely freezing. So while I defrost, look forward to the next video. Like, subscribe. See you later.